Hi, my name is Xavier Renom. I'm the CIO of JustInMind. And in JustInMind, what we provide is two products to prototype and simulate software applications in the same way that you can find in other industries like engineering or architecture. Then before to do the real thing, you simulate, you run simulations and create prototypes. Well, I put here that could you imagine that Volkswagen manufacturing a car without designing any prototype? So software, the normal way that software is done, it's about requirements document, but no simulation and no prototype is done. So now it's possible with JustInMind Prototyper and JustInMind Server. So thanks to our prototyping and simulation solutions, you can reduce costs, avoiding rework, avoid risk and failures of projects, prevent changes in critical stages of projects, because all of changes you can apply on the prototype before starting to do the real thing. So not in the middle of the development. All changes happen at the beginning, and you can speed up the project development and shorten time to market of your IT projects. So what kind of software can be simulated? Any kind of software. I've seen here some projects that could be perfectly simulated with JustInMind Prototyper. Internet applications, portals, smartphones, it doesn't matter. Any kind of application with a user interface can be simulated with Prototype. Here you can see some usage scenarios, for example, inside a company, between the development, between the IT department and the business department. When they have to develop an application, they have to speak each other. So if they can visualize the application before start the development, they can avoid misunderstanding. Another scenario is between a company and the software provider. And a very interesting scenario is the offshoring scenario, because then in the scenario there are the offshore company, the nearshore, the main customer. So it's very useful to visualize what you have to be developed. This is a very interesting scenario that we on previous think that it was interesting, but we have some entrepreneurs and startups. Our first customer was a startup, because you can make a simulation of your software if you have a business software based, and then you can show to your customers before spend money to do the real thing, because our simulations are high fidelity and it's exactly the real thing if you put in front of our simulation a user to do, for example, a usability test. So the market is any software project, IT-intensive companies, but we have small and medium enterprises and individuals also as well. So sales channels, internet, direct selling, worldwide with partners. We have some partners now, but we are working hard to have more partners. I don't have any slide about the team, but I want to speak about my team. That it's a very strong team. We have developed this product with 2 years. So with 10 people or so on. So I think that we have a very strong expertise in software development. And this other one, the income generation, we have 2 models. It's a dual model. For example, we have licensing. JustInMind Prototyper is in a licensing model, and JustInMind Server works in a pay-per-use and subscription model. Now it's in the cloud, and you can install also as well in your servers. You can install JustInMind Server. And these are some customers that we have. These are big customers: Audi Germany, in Austria, the federal government, and Orange also, and Coca-Cola. And we have also customers from Spain and a lot of individuals, because the price of our software is very affordable. So that's all.